Alright guys, wanted to pass along a little tip and trick to you. If you've ever replaced brake shoes on a 928, the retaining springs can be very tricky to get back in, and I'm talking about these guys right here. So on my 928, when I took the rotor off, I noticed that one of these springs had actually come loose and was just hanging just inside here in this area. And this spring that was hanging loose was actually the one down here at the bottom. You can see it right here. And I wanted to, it's very tricky to kind of compress and then squeeze it through the tiny opening and hole. I wanted to share with you what I did to actually get it installed. So what I did is once you have it out, take the spring, and of course it's got the long finger with a hook through it, compress it, and I compress it with this small pair of channel pliers that I have here, and compress it all the way down. And vice grips, I was kind of stuck for a word there. Yeah, my little vice grips here. Compressed it all the way down, and then I took two tie wraps right here, and I put one on this side and then one on the other side. So there's one on either side. I hope you can see that in this video. And by doing that, it keeps the spring compressed, and it keeps the finger with the hook on the end, it's all the way out. So otherwise it's going to be very difficult for you to try and push against the spring. There's a lot of tension. This is a stainless steel spring. There's a lot of tension on this spring to try and push it. There might be a special tool for it, but if you don't have it, there's going to be a lot of tension on the spring for you to try and push it while it's on the shoe, on the body of the shoe here. So by having the tie wraps on, it keeps everything compressed. And then you have the finger with the hook at its longest, and so you can fish it through the shoe and then the backing over here, which is on the actual hub. And once you actually have it through, you can see the little stainless steel hook just kind of poking through. I took this small flat edge screwdriver and I was able to grab it and just pull it kind of like that, and pull it through, and then just hook it on the body of the hub. And that's all it takes, guys. So it really took me quite a few minutes to figure that out, but once I did, it was literally 1 minute to do it all. So it's very fast. So if you've ever had to fight against these guys, I hope this tip helps. And then of course you just cut these tie wraps after you're done, and then you're good to go. So I hope that helps, and I hope everybody's working on their 928. You can see I just finished painting my wheel wells and calipers, and I'm getting ready to install new rotors and brake pads and a bunch of other little things, and getting the car looking good. So hope everybody's doing the same and enjoying the weekend. Happy 4th of July to everybody. Take care. Bye.